This heavy-duty table, you can literally go 3,000–4,000 pounds on this table, even more really. We can do this in a butcher block top. We can do it in a chem-resistant epoxy resin, kind of like a black top, like we all remember from chemistry lab when we were kids. You can do this as a stainless top. You can do it with wheels, no wheels, locking caster wheels, so you can roll this table around. You can do this as height adjustable. It can be a push button power where it rises or goes down anywhere between 26 and 44 inches ballpark. Or if you don't have power to plug in that motorized push button table, you can use the crank mechanism to raise and lower it on demand.